Hi, hello friends. Today I am here. I will discuss what is articles. Articles is definitely very very important for all of us because in every step, while you're speaking, while you're writing, definitely article everywhere required. आर्टिकल हर एक जगह में बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, इसलिए हमें ये सीखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। चलिए पहले समझते हैं हम कैसे कहाँ यूज करेंगे, कहाँ यूज नहीं करेंगे, where will use, where will not use. So these all rules and regulation should be known is very important for all of us. At first, the English language uses articles to identify nouns. English language में articles noun को identify करने के लिए use करते हैं. Articles act much like adjectives. Article adjective की तरह भी कभी कभार act करते हैं. Articles clarify whether noun is specific or general, singular or plural. An article appears before the noun it accompanies. And then what are the types of articles in English grammar? English grammar में article का क्या क्या type है वो हम जान लेते हैं. There are two types of article in English, like one definite articles, that is the, and indefinite article a and an. These two articles is most important. Then we will discuss one by one. At first, we'll go with some example, like examples of definite articles. He threw the ball in the well. I saw the thieves stealing jewels. Where are the notes I shared with you yesterday? Indefinite article examples. She wore a pretty pink dress. I saw tigers in a zoo. He's not good as an actor. So these are the examples of definite article and indefinite article. And now we'll discuss what are the general rules for article. At first, पहला rules. Place the article before noun. Noun से पहले article को place करिए. Example: the house, the cat, a dog, a book. Rules number 2: place the article before the adjective when the noun is modified by an adjective, like the purple house, a white dog, an open book. These are the corrects we are generally used, but sometimes we made some mistake, like the house purple and a dog white. So these are the wrong sentence if we are using in our writing while you are speaking. So these are the wrong method. Maybe we are use sometimes. So I think now from today we'll use the purple house and a white dog. We'll use these are the correct. So definitely we know the rules. So while you are using this type of sentence in speaking, in writing, we should use the correct method. Rules number 3: do not add an article when the noun has possessive pronoun, like my, his, her, our, their, or a demonstrative pronoun like this or that. Example: my house, her book, that house, this book. These are the correct. We are generally use, but sometimes we made some mistake. The my house or the this book. These are the incorrect because here is no requirement to use the, but sometimes in speaking we use the. But from now while you're using my house, only for my house, we are not use the. So these are the general rules. And now the rules of definite article the, article rules for definite article the. And the rules number 1: the very basic rule of article says that the article the is used before singular or plural when the noun is specific. इस रूल में आर्टिकल द वहीं पे यूज होगा सिंगुलर प्लूरल नाउन से पहले when the noun specific होना चाहिए. It indicates a particular things or persons in case of common noun. We'll go with example. He lost all the money taken from the lender. Rule number 2: article da is used when the listeners knows what the speaker is talking about. Like example, the mangoes you kept in the refrigerator last night do not taste good. Example number 2: did you complete all the homework? And then we'll go with the rules number 3. Rules number 3: die is used to generalize the whole class और ग्रुप। द सारे क्लास को और एक ग्रुप को जनरलाइज उसको इंडिकेट करते हैं। जैसे एग्जांपल, द ऑनेस्ट are respected. Definitely, it's very common. The beggars are not always the needy. Rules number 4. The is used for geographical point of the globe. The geographical point को indicate करने के लिए globe में वहाँ पे द का यूज होता है। Example, the North Pole and the South Pole can never meet. Rules number 5. The is used for the nouns that cannot be counted. Like example, the water of Pacific Ocean is freezing. Two robbers took all the money from the bank. And then we'll go about the rules number 6. That is used with geographical nouns depending on the size and plurality of the noun. The must precede the name of ocean, a river, the group of Iceland, lake, mountains, countries with the United States or Iceland, etc. Example, the Ganga is a holy river. The English Channel is the longest river channel. So these are the examples. And the rules number 7, die is mandatorily used for the things that are only one of a kind in the universe. जो इस यूनिवर्स में, इस विश्व ब्रह्मांड में जो एक ही है, उससे पहले भी दाई यूज होंगे। जैसे एग्जांपल, the sun and the moon shines bright in the sky. The sun is only one and the moon is only one. That's why there is used the before the noun. The planet Earth looks beautiful from space. Definite article rules number 8. That does not mean all. Example, the books are my favorite. Like not all the books, just the book talk about. Books are my favorite. All the books in general are favorite. Article rules for indefinite article like a and an. Rules number 1. The article a is used before a consonant word or any vowel with a consonant sound. डेफिनेटली ये हम एक कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड से पहले हम यूज करते हैं, लेकिन सम टाइम जब कोई वावल एक कॉन्सोनेंट की तरह साउंड करते हैं तो उससे पहले भी हम ए का यूज करेंगे। एग्जांपल, ए मैन इज सिटिंग ऑन द चेयर, शी गोज टू ए यूनिवर्सिटी इन दिल्ली। सिमिलरली, आर्टिकल एन इज यूज्ड बिफोर द वर्ड बिगिनिंग विद वावल। आर्टिकल एन वहां पे यूज होता है जहां पे एक वर्ड का वावल से स्टार्ट होता है, और द लेटर ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड विद वावल साउंड। कभी कभार एक कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड से पहले भी एन आता है अगर वो वाला कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड वावल के साथ साउंड करता है तब। जैसे शी इज एन इनोसेंट गर्ल, ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन। देखिए एच इज कॉन्सोनेंट, but before it use an and because honest, I use the it like a honest, so that's why we use this. Rules number 2, a singular common noun always requires an article a or n, but a plural common noun does not require any article or can have the to particularize that noun. Example, I saw an elephant. It refers to a random elephant, not a specific elephant. I saw elephant in the zoo. No an article is required. I have seen the elephant again. It means I have seen the elephant already seen earlier. Rules number 3. A or an is used to make proper noun a common nouns. Proper nouns do not take article, but to make it common noun, a or an is required, is used. Example, he thinks he is a Michael Jackson, not referring to an actual person, but someone like him. She is an Indian. India is proper noun, but Indian is common noun. And rules number 4, indefinite article a or an is used or referred to number sometimes. Example, the baby is playing with a doll, it means one doll. I owe him $1,000, it means $1,000. He drove 120 kilometers in an hour, like it means only for 1 hour. Rule number 5. Indefinite article or an precedes descriptive adjective. Examples: she is an amazing dancer. What a nice villa. Rule number 6. Indefinite article is used with determiners like few, lot, most. Examples: there is a little drink in the glass. I have a few guests coming over. So friends, these are the rules and examples about the definite and indefinite articles like a and the. So we'll use by maintaining these are rules in our day-to-day life, in writing, in speaking. So friends, at last I would like to say that if you getting some information from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.